Good morning, students. In this class, we will discuss about operators. Okay, our topic is operators. So, first, the definition of operators. An operator specifies the operation to be applied to its operands. An operator specifies the operation to be applied to its operands. For example, I am taking 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So here the plus is operator. The plus is operator. 2 and 3 is operand. 2 and 3 is operand. And also here I am taking the example as A minus B. So here what is the operator and what is the operand? Minus is the operator. A comma B is operand. Okay, this is the difference between operator and operand. For example, here I am writing the operand can be numbers or letters. Okay, but the operator should be in symbols. The operator should be a symbol. For example, here I am taking A equal to printf hello plus 2. Here what are operands and what are operators? Operators are equal to is the operator, open bracket, close bracket is the operator, and here the plus is the operator. These are operators. Okay, and a comma 2 is the operand. Here a comma 2 is the operand. Okay, for example, here I am writing a program square to find the area of a square. So first to find the area of a square. So what is the first step? Hash include studio dot h hash include conio dot h, and then you need to give the main of function void main of, then open bracket, and then here you need to declare the variable. What is the formula for area of a square? Area equal to a into a, and right, this is the formula for area. So the variables are area and a. Okay, so here I will declare int a comma area, and then I need to give clear screen off, then printf. Enter the value for a. Okay, enter the value for a. What is the next step? Scanf. Here I am taking only one variable as a. So percentage %d comma ampersand a. Okay, and then I need to declare the formula on here. Area equal to a star a. I am right. Next, we need to print the value for area. Print the value for area. So here printf the area of square is. Okay, and I'm closing, and then here get off, and then closing the open braces. So what is the output? First printf is enter the value for a. Enter the value for a. So here I am giving 4. Okay, and then it will give the output. The next printf is the area of square. The area of square is, so 4 into 4 16. Yes. 4 fours are 16. Okay, this is the output. So here, what is the operator? In this program, what is the operator? This multiplication symbol is a operator, and the operands are area and a. Area and a are the operands. Okay, this is the example for operators. And then classification of operators. Classification of operators. The first one is unary operator. Unary operators. So, in a unary operator operates only one operand. It operates only one operand. Okay, only one operand. For example, -3 plus 3 is a unary. So, its operand, only one operand is used. Only one operand is used. Here the operand is 3. Here also the operand is 3. Or -5, -6 or +6. These are the examples of unary operands. It operates on only one operand. And the second one is binary. Binary operators. Binary operators. A binary operator operates on two operands. Okay, it operates on two operands. For example, two operands. Okay. For example, 2 minus 3. Here we are using two operands. 4 plus 5. Here also we are using two operands. Okay. And then the third one is ternary operator. The third one is ternary operator. So, it operates on three operands. Ternary. Here, three operands. Okay. For ternary operators, I will use a code to explain it. Okay. I am taking the code as to find the biggest among two numbers using ternary operator. So, biggest among two numbers. Using what operator? Ternary operator. The ternary operator looks like this. Question mark and a semicolon. Okay, this is a ternary operator. So, first we need to write hash include studio.h. Second one is hash include conio.h. And then next one is void main of, and I need to declare the variables. So, biggest among two numbers. For example, I am taking c equal to a greater than b. Okay, so here I need to compare the two numbers. C equal to 45 greater than 41. So, here which is greatest? 45 is greatest. So, this is the procedure to find the biggest among two numbers. So, here I am taking three variables. C equal to a greater than b. So, int a comma b comma c. Then we need to declare clear screen off. Clear screen off. And then printf. Printf here. Enter the value for a and b. And then next one is scanf. %d, comma, ampersand A, comma, ampersand B. So the next step is to give the condition. We are using here ternary operator. So C equal to A greater than B question mark. This is a question mark. We need to find first A is greater than B or not. If A is greater, then the output will be A. Then the output will be A. If or else the B is greater, then the output will be B. Then the output will be B. Okay. We need to declare the ternary operator like this. Okay. First we need to give the condition. To check the condition. First check A greater than B or A greater than B or B greater than A. First check. And then if A is greater than B, then it will display A. If B is greater than A, then it will display B. Okay. And then the last one is printf. The greatest number is percentage D. Okay. And then closing the bracket. Then get off. So here the output will be First it will ask the question, enter the value for A and B. Here enter the value for A and B. You can give any number. Okay, here you can give any number. If I am taking 50 and 53. 50 and 53. I am entering 50 and 53. So it will check here. It will compare here. Here A is 50 and B is 53. So here what will we get the answer? B is greatest. B is greatest. So here the output will be the greatest number is 53. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, thank you students.